In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI search optimization strategy that I used, and we are going to be checking out Frevana, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end of this video so you can see how it works. Let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on the official app of Frevana right now, so I've just opened it and I've launched it. I will leave the link down in the description of this video so you can go and you can check them out for yourself. And this is how the dashboard will present itself, and I'm going to be going through it step by step so you can actually see how I 4x'd my AI search traffic in a single month. So first of all, we'll start over here on the left. So you can go and you can create a team. You can create an AEO team or a Rufus team right here. And I've gone ahead and I've created my Nike AEO team. So once you do that, you will have all of these agents in your team and you will have your analytics available as well. So right here, you can see the team overview, for example, the visibility score, generated content, tasks completed, and you can see all of my different team agents. So I can go and I can actually use these team agents to either go and write an article, to analyze a scenario, or to even write reviews right here, or a frequently asked questions page marker. So there are different agents in your team that you are going to be able to use. If we scroll down, we can see our weekly progress right here, and then we will have your brand visibility, and right here we have questions to track in AEO. So you can actually go and you can see questions to track, and you have candidates as well. So as you can see, the result for questions to track is 5, and they will get us 50. The candidates right here you can see is 95, and we can go through all of them, and this is actually where the AI agent is going to work on the SEO. Okay guys, so you can actually go and you can add a question as well, for example. So enter one question per line to add multiple questions at once. So you can go ahead and you can do that as well. Okay guys, and now I'm going to show you where you can actually go right here to the analytics. You can go to the AEO team and you can actually dive deeper into the analytics of these questions. So I'm going to give it a second to load and then I'll get back to you right now. Okay guys, so you can see that I am back right here to my team overview. So what Frevana is it's basically an AI marketing team that runs 24/7 for yourself. So as you can see, this is our marketing team right here. We have our team agents, like I said before, and as you can see, our prompt researcher is running at the moment. After the prompt researcher has finished, the data scientist will start, and then it will go down the list until we get to the competitor analysis. So it basically runs 24/7, and what it does is it will bring you new traffic. So instead of people going onto Google and search engines searching for questions, so Frevana is specifically built to track, capture, and scale the traffic that is coming from these AI platforms like ChatGPT instead of traditional search engines, because that is not the way that the internet works anymore in 2026. Okay guys, and the reason one is because of the following reason. So instead of it going and focusing on oversaturated or crowded keywords on search platforms like Google or even Firefox, it now goes to answer the uncrowded questions that users ask AI like ChatGPT, and they will actually take those questions and make keywords for you instead of taking the crowded ones that does not work. They actually go and they answer the uncrowded questions that people ask AI. And that is the new way that Frevana works, is it actually goes and targets this untouched market. So that is why you can actually go and you can guide it. Okay guys, so this tool will literally go and it will automatically identify the high intent, low competition keywords, and it will actually go and it will optimize it for you and then generate content based on that. So as you can see right here, it's still in team overview. The generated content is from high intent, low competition prompts that get optimized, and they then build a generated content for you. So as you can see, we have 4 tasks completed, generated content. We have 9% of our weekly progress already completed in literally a couple of minutes. Okay guys, and here is the last thing that is really good about Frevana and AI SEO. So usually traditional SEO would take at least 6 to 12 months to yield the return, but nowadays you can actually see results with AI SEO within a couple of weeks. And the more people actually go to these AI search engines and ask them questions, the more the traffic will increase, because the more people go there, the more uncrowded it will get and the more traffic you will receive from this AI SEO. And literally, if you have a tool like Frevana, it will optimize everything for you. As you can see, generated content is 2 now, so already went up. And as you can see, we have a team running for ourselves 24/7. So if I was you, I would definitely go and check them out. Ready to see a 4x multiplier in your own traffic? Check out the website so you can start your 7-day free trial with Frevana, and you can actually then launch your own AI SEO optimization campaign. So thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.